Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make velvet hair scrunchie in 3 different ways. I like to show the final product first so you can get the idea how we will work on it together. If you don't know how to crochet at all, visit my video Basic Crochet Patterns for Beginners or just watch this one, I'll show it to you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this tutorial. Thank you and let's start. All 3 scrunchies are the same size and build up from 3 different rows. Second row, which is the middle row, is important for us and makes huge difference. So you can see I'm showing you 1 double crochet in the middle row. Double crochet creates this line which goes all around and separates the second row from the third row, which is the top one, the last one. And with 1 double crochet inside in the middle row, you can get this very flat scrunchie, which is really nice. The second one is a little bit wavy. It's also the same size inside and it's got the same line which goes all around. So we know that it separates the second and third row. And when I pull it, I can see 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1. So it means that every other loop on the first row I put 2 double crochet inside and then I always change 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's how you get this little wave on your product. And the last one, which is my absolute favorite, is very heavy with the waves, got also the line which goes all around. And when I pull it, I can see that there are 2 double crochet in each loop on the ring. So you can see there is 2 double crochet. So let's have a look how to make it. We are going to need a strong elastic band. If you don't have one, use 2. I'm going to show you in this video how. A hook and this velvet yarn. It's up to your choice which color you are going to use, but strong elastic band and a yarn is important for us. So let's start with a slip knot. How to make it: yarn over your finger and the working part of the yarn, pull through the loop on your finger and pull. And that's how you get a slip knot. If you haven't done it before, just practice it a few times, it's very easy. Place your hook inside and pull. Not very tight, you should still be able to slide up and down, but we are ready to do the first single crochet into your elastic band. So hold your yarn between the fingers, hold the elastic band as well in your fingers somehow. The first one is kind of tricky and difficult, but you can practice it and you can make it work for sure. So grab the yarn and pull through, and grab the yarn around again and pull through both loops on your hook. Let me show you one more time. So hook inside, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook like this. One more time, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. And that's how you are getting the single crochet on your elastic band or on your ring, because now we are creating this ring, this base for your crochet. So repeat the single crochet all around as you can, and always make sure you place at least, well, for this size it's going to be 35, but make sure you cover it completely. So I'm almost at the end, so I'm going to make one more, but when I pull it I create this gap, so I need to cover this gap as well. And as I said previously, for this size it should be at least 35 single crochets, but it really depends on your elastic band size and on a yarn as well you are using. But it's very easy how to make it. Always when you are almost at the end, just try to pull it, stretch it a little bit, and if you see that there are no huge gaps any longer, you are done. You can close the first row. So I think mine looks pretty good, like it, and there are no big gaps. So I'm going to close this first row by slip stitch. How to make slip stitch? So I place the hook inside the first single crochet on the ring. Can you see it? Yarn over, pull through, and I'm pulling through the same yarn I had on my hook, and that's how I close the ring. So let's start the second row. We have to chain 3 first, and now make the first double crochet. So yarn over and place the hook inside the next single crochet on your ring. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through second 2. So one more time, yarn over into the single crochet on the ring, yarn over, pull through first 2 and second 2. Again, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 yarns on your hook. Now you have 2 and 2. So this is called double crochet because you pull the hook through your 2 loops on your hook twice. And repeat this, place 1 double crochet inside each single crochet on your ring, or inside each loop which you created on your ring on the first row. So the second row is double crochet and go all around till the end. So I'm almost at the end. I need to place a couple of more double crochet. So this is one more into the next empty loop, and yeah, and the last one comes actually into the first single crochet on your ring. So place it there as well, because it will create little gap that will be like missing in the row. So this is the last one, and I'm going to finish this row by a slip stitch. So slip stitch goes like yarn over and pull the yarn on your hook, and it looks really nice, flat, and very very lovely. So let's finish this scrunchie by the third row. Chain 1 and place single crochet inside each loop which we created on top of the second row. So we have started with 35 on the ring, 35 double crochet, and also 35 single crochet in the last row. So I'm almost at the end. I have a couple of more to place. So the last single crochet, there is a little gap, or we can see there was one missing, so the last one, and I'm going to finish this round with a slip stitch again. And at the end, really make sure you tie a knot at the end so you don't lose any of the loops. And your first scrunchie is done. For the second scrunchie, we are going to start exactly the same ring of 35 single crochet, and the second row is again going to be built up from double crochet, but we are going to place first double crochet inside the next loop on your ring, and then for the following loop we are going to place 2 double crochets inside. So this is the first one. For the same loop, you are going to place another double crochet inside. Yes, see, I'm going to placing the hook inside the same loop and just make a standard double crochet. The following loop is going to be with 1 double crochet, and that's how you are going to repeat it all around. 1, 2, 1, 2, and you can always make sure that, because sometimes it can get very confused, so just count it or check it visually. So if I place the second one inside the same loop, I can have a look how it looks. So when I pull it and try opening, I can see there are 2, 1, there's 2 and 1. So get familiar with the look, how it looks, so you can always check it out in no matter what stage of your work you are. So continue till the end. So I'm almost at the end. I need to place one more here, one more double crochet here, and the last one comes and then I'm going to finish it with a slip stitch. So I can see already these little waves created around, and again when I check it visually, I can see there's 1, 2, 1. Yeah, so I think it looks good to me, so I can finish it with the 3rd row of single crochet. So first chain 1 and just go around the whole ring with 1 single crochet inside each loop. So we are not adding anything here, so at the end, because we add 2 double crochet inside every other loop in the 2nd row, the total loops at the end should be, the total number should be 52. So also 52 single crochet in the last ring, and finish it with a slip stitch. Please tie it at the end so you don't lose any of the loops. And this is your 2nd scrunchie. For the 3rd one, again we start with a ring of 35 single crochet on the elastic band. We chain 3, and we are going to place double crochet twice inside the same loop all around. So first double crochet and 2nd double crochet inside the same loop. So for next loop, it's empty, first double crochet and inside the same loop, 2nd double crochet, and repeat this till the end. So I'm almost at the end. I need to place 1 more double crochet, and because I was adding 1 into each loop, I should have 70 in total at the end. I'm going to finish it with a slip stitch, and I can already see the huge difference between the 1st type and the 3rd type. So let me finish it with the last 3rd row of single crochet. So first chain 1 and then just go all around with a single crochet, 1 single crochet inside each loop. So at the end, again, you should have exactly the same number. So I'm almost at the end. Yeah, it looks really good. There is 1 missing, so that's the last 70 single crochet. I'm going to finish the row by a slip stitch, and then I knit it properly to not lose any of the loops. So your 3rd single scrunchie is done. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more free tutorials how to crochet. Have a good day.